Dodger breakfast. Dino breakfast. G'day YouTubers, I'm Dodger Mohr and welcome to my channel. Well, today I'm going to be doing a ride from Bayswater to Walhalla, and a friend of mine from work, he'll be joining me. The reason for doing this trip is I want to test out my new Panniers, which I just installed a couple of days ago. So grab yourself a beverage, sit back and enjoy the ride. There you go, Dino.
Not bad yourself.
Cool.
Yeah. Hello YouTubers.
That's the ride for today. I hope you enjoyed it.
Huh? Oh, please subscribe to Dodger Mohr's channel.
And give it a big like as well, or a big thumbs up. Yeah. So Dino, tell us a bit about your bike.
Hey?
Tell me a bit about your bike.
Oh, I can't wait as people leave.
Hey? Why? You don't have to worry, you don't have to be so shy.
Well, it's a KTM 1090 Adventure R. It's the first trip it's been on, so just trying to get the hang of it and work out what the grip levels are and how much power I can use, really.
Cool.